The Grand Cortez Resort Hotel and Spa, also sometimes called the Grand Cortez Halal Family Hotel, offers a value-packed stay with more built-in perks than you might expect at this price point. Your booking includes full access to the hotel's private sandy beach, a family-friendly seasonal pool with a water slide, and a generous daily breakfast buffet served between 8 and 10 a.m. But what really defines this as an all-inclusive property is the round-the-clock food and beverage service. Guests enjoy unlimited meals, snacks, and drinks from 2 on-site restaurants, 2 cafes, 4 bars, and even a swim-up bar, all included in the room price. The property operates alcohol-free and is marketed as halal-friendly, making it especially appealing for families looking for a conservative or wellness-oriented atmosphere. I'll discuss room prices and more specific details in just a moment, but if you want to book now via the link below, you'll save a massive 44% for a limited time only. Despite being peak season at the time of recording, there are still some spaces available on select dates. Tucked along the Conakry coastline just outside Alanya, the Grand Cortez delivers the kind of beachside location families often search for, without the bustle of central Alanya. The resort sits directly on a private stretch of sandy beach, with loungers, umbrellas, and towel service included, making it easy to go from your room to the sea in minutes. You're only a 3-minute drive from local landmarks like the Conakry Clock Tower and Mosque, and around 10 to 15 minutes from the heart of Alanya, where you'll find the Alanya Aqua Park, Red Tower, and the historic Alanya Castle. For those flying in, the drive from Gazipasha Airport takes just under an hour, which is preferable to Antalya Airport, which is around 2 hours away. Free self-parking is available at the resort if you're renting a car. The location strikes a nice balance. It's quiet enough for a relaxing stay, but still close to restaurants, cafes, and local shops. And with attractions like Sarapsahani Fortress and Alanya Luna Park nearby, there's no shortage of options for low-effort outings that don't require a long commute. For travelers focused on value above all, the standard room with city view is your best bet. It's the most affordable option at just 47 euros per person, per night, at maximum triple occupancy, making it ideal for budget-conscious families or groups who plan to spend most of their time outdoors. You'll still get a furnished balcony, air conditioning, and a minibar stocked with complimentary drinks, just without the added cost of a view. If you're traveling with kids and want a bit of atmosphere without stretching the budget, the standard room with partial sea view hits the sweet spot. For 48 euros per person, per night, you'll enjoy a glimpse of the Mediterranean from your balcony, giving you that holiday feel even when you're resting in the room. For couples or travelers who care most about the view, the standard room with full sea view is easily worth the small upgrade. At 51 euros per person per night, it's the best option for those early risers who want to watch the sunrise over the water or relax with a sunset drink on the balcony. In terms of amenities, the main pool area is the center of daytime activity, open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., with lifeguards on duty and plenty of loungers available. A separate children's pool ensures younger kids have their own safe space nearby, and the overall setup feels manageable even during busier weeks. Around the resort, you'll find multiple spots to relax, garden areas, shaded seating zones, and quiet corners for taking a break from the heat. The grounds are compact but well-maintained, and everything is within a short walk, which adds to the convenience for parents. There's also a sauna and basic spa treatment area for guests who want a break from the sun, along with a shop on site for small essentials like cold drinks or beachwear. Entertainment at Grand Cortez is focused on families with enough variety to keep children engaged without making the resort feel chaotic. During the summer season, the Kids Club runs supervised activities like games, crafts, and outdoor play, giving younger guests a fun, structured way to spend part of the day. There's also a small playground and games room, offering additional options when they're not in the water. Evenings are low-key, but not completely quiet. The resort hosts occasional live music, games, and small performances, typically held in the outdoor lounge or garden areas. It's a relaxed setup, no big productions or loud animations, making it easy for families to enjoy entertainment without having to plan around it. This style of programming works well for guests who prefer variety without pressure. The activities are there if you want them, but the overall vibe remains laid back and easygoing. Grand Cortez keeps mealtimes stress-free by offering a generous buffet that changes its lineup every day. Think grilled kebabs one night, Mediterranean salads the next, plus a reliable rotation of kid-friendly staples like pasta and rice. Everything is halal certified, and service runs on a predictable schedule, so you never have to wonder when your next meal is available. Between the main sittings, a snack counter stays open for grab-and-go bites, while 2 casual coffee corners serve pastries and hot drinks for a quick midday recharge. For guests who want to elevate the experience, an intimate a la carte restaurant, bookable for a small surcharge, provides table service and a quieter atmosphere, ideal for date night or a special occasion. If you're planning to take advantage of everything the Grand Cortez offers, travel between May 1st and November 1st, when the full range of facilities are available. That includes entertainment, the kids club, and all seasonal outdoor amenities. Families traveling during this period will find the experience more complete, with activities running daily and a livelier overall atmosphere. During the quieter months, the resort shifts into a slower pace. The core offerings, accommodation, dining, and beach access, remain available, but some extras may be paused until the next season. This can actually be a benefit for couples or guests looking for a more peaceful stay, as the property becomes noticeably less busy while still offering great value. If any of these are deal breakers, check out my playlist linked below for alternative all-inclusive places to stay in Turkey, some of which operate all year round. Grand Cortez holds its ground well in a region packed with all-inclusive options. While many similarly priced hotels cut corners on space, staff availability, or on-site variety, this resort delivers a more complete experience without pushing into a higher price bracket. The scale of the property means you're not limited to a single dining area or compact pool deck, and the atmosphere stays lively even when the resort is at capacity. Unlike budget properties that often rely on add-ons and off-site excursions to fill in the gaps, Grand Cortez functions as a true one-stop stay. You're not paying for luxury, but you are getting convenience, variety, and a level of structure that's often missing in lower-cost alternatives. This resort is a strong match for travelers who want structure without complexity, especially those planning around school holidays or traveling with young children. Its alcohol-free, halal-certified environment also makes it a rare find for guests seeking a values-based stay without sacrificing access to sun, sea, and daily activities. It's a practical choice for anyone who prefers staying in one place rather than building a full itinerary, as everything you need is on site. Couples or solo travelers looking for peace during quieter months may also appreciate the slower pace outside of peak season. For a no-fuss, family-forward escape, it checks all the right boxes. Save 44% on all room types when you book via the link below for a limited time only.